first phase of Bihar elections begins, let's talk about the post that has been put up by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself. As on this day, Bihar votes, and this is exactly at 7 a.m. that we are looking at as the voting procedure begins. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has made an appeal to the voters in Bihar, especially those who are casting their ballots or exercising their franchise in the first phase of elections covering 121 seats, and has been making the appeal, asking them to vote in large numbers. Prime Minister goes on to say that today marks the first phase of the celebration of democracy in Bihar, and I urge all voters in this phase of the assembly elections to cast their votes with full enthusiasm. And on this occasion, my special congratulations to all my young friends from the state who are going to vote for the first time. Remember, first vote and then refreshment. So first vote dale and then jalpan. That has been as far as when it comes to the Prime Minister making that appeal. Let's connect with our reporters, and my colleague Pratibha also joining us. Well, she has been on Bihar Brahman for the last over a week now, and she has been connecting with the people. Arunil is also connected with us. Good morning to both of you. Pratibha, beginning with you, reporting from Patna. Voting begins. It is exactly 7 a.m.
Absolutely, Amita. It's the big day that political leaders and perhaps people across the country have been waiting for, because today the voters are going to be deciding the first phase of the Bihar elections. It's 7 a.m. and we see a lot of voters have already come in. Bihar is known to be very electorally aware, but as far as the voting numbers are concerned, in 2020 the voting percentage was about 57%. In Patna in particular, it was even less than 50%. So the appeal from the Prime Minister also comes at a very timely manner, telling the people that first cast your vote and then anything else. A few people have lined up here, and as of now we see about 5 to 6 people who are there inside, who are waiting in line. We are in the Danapur constituency waiting for any more other voters as well who come out. If it is very smooth here as far as the voting is concerned, and as the voters come out, we'll speak to them as well. But some of the larger issues that people have been speaking about in Danapur constituency as well: 78% literacy. What are the key issues that people will be voting for? Will they be voting for any change? What are they voting for? Will be interesting to see.
Absolutely. As far as the Prime Minister is concerned, pehle matdan fir jalpan. Arunil, because this phase particularly is significant as we are looking at both for the party in power or the government in power, and also for the opposition Mahagathbandhan as well.
Well, certainly, yes. 121 out of the total 243 seats go to polls today in Bihar. This is the first phase. On 11, the second phase will be held. 14th is the result. The magic number in Bihar, basically the winning number is 122. Now coming to PM Modi's outreach to the people as well. We have, as Pratibha was pointing out, that the voter turnout in Bihar was relatively less last time. However, this time we can hope that it will increase, because the fact is several Naxal affected areas in Bihar, the voting time has been increased in these Naxal affected areas as well. So a kind of a praise needs to be given to the election commission. The voting time is between 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. This time in all the constituencies where Bihar will be going to polls. Now, the who's who of Indian politics had descended in Bihar, be it from the Mahagathbandhan or the India bloc or from the NDA as well. PM Modi had several sabhas in Bihar, particularly attacking the CM phase of Mahagathbandhan, that is Tejasvi Yadav, saying that if at all the RJD or Tejasvi Yadav is...
to live reactions that are now coming in. Let's put out and listen into Giriraj Singh, what he has to say on today's polling.